Have you ever wondered how you can install fonts on your Windows PC? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now first, you need fonts. There are a lot of websites you can visit where you can download them both free and paid. You know how we love free stuff in this channel though, so in this video, we are going with this website called DaFont, which you can visit by clicking the link in the description. It has a lot of downloadable fonts you can choose from, and it's one of those websites that almost every YouTuber uses. The best part of it all? Well, it's all free. Just select the font that you like, have this font here open on a new tab, and just click on download. Once it's done downloading, on your downloads folder, you should see your downloaded font. Now we'll show you two ways on how you can install your font. The first method is to just extract the font zip file with your favorite file archiver, or you can use the Windows File Explorer to extract the folder. Once it's done, open the folder and you will usually see two font formats. One is an open type format or OTF, and the other one is a true type format or TTF. For this font, we have a TTF format. Now to install, just right click one of the formats and select install. I already have it installed and I'm just going to select yes to replace it. You don't need to do this, and once you click install, it should only take a couple of seconds and you're good to go. For the second method of installing your font, we will need the settings app. To do this, go to your start menu and type font and select font settings. Now you will see your fonts here on this window. On the top, you will also see this add font area, and underneath you can easily drag and drop to install your font. Now get your downloads folder window earlier and click the TTF or OTF file you have and drag that file to this box, and it should install your font. You should see it here with its name. Mine is Keep Calm. It could be any font honestly, and I think that's pretty much it for this video. This is Dreus. Goodbye.